I am back with you another video, and today I'm going to talk about something that happened early in my life that I really don't care, but it's a lesson people can learn from it. And when I was 2 years old, a year and a half years old, I was kidnapped and left in California to die. And people can take that either way. It's either direction people can take that. One, they can go the criminal direction and break the law. Or two, they can be the nice guy direction. Or three, there's all directions they can go with that and angles. And most people will feel bad about it. But the way I feel, I feel a heightened sense of things. And that's what you have to understand. If anything bad that happens in life, don't feel bad about it. Or don't feel good. You need to feel a heightened sense of things, of your true north. So don't over gratification. Let's say you won something, you won a tournament. Don't say that you're the man, you're the best in the world. If you do that, you're not going according to the heightened sense of things. You got to stay focused in life and stay focused on your road. Or let's say it's other things. You got, for example, I got kidnapped and left to die. I just have a heightened sense of things, staying focused in life. And that's the best way to view stuff, adversity. For example, when you go the MGTOW route, the MGTOW route is a route that is actually an outlaw route. Very outlawish. Because when people view a MGTOW, especially level 2 MGTOWs, people view them as pieces of crap. I did a video before, which I did not care about how people said about it, but I noticed there were 5 dislikes to it. And that proves the point that level 2 MGTOW, people view them as a piece of crap. That just makes a point right there. And people in society like to view MGTOWs as the pieces of crap. That's just the way it is. And I got an example here. Homeowners Association gave me a rules violation. As you can see right here. A rules violation. Number 12. It's going to say number 12 right there. It says number 12 right here. And this is a rules violation. I find this very interesting. Which it talks about something. It talks about, I'm going to read you what rule 12 is in the manual. Peace and quiet and improper conduct. That's what I got cited for, according to that paper. Okay? Drunkenness, immoral conduct, or becoming a nuisance will not be tolerated. First of all, I don't drink or I don't do drugs. I don't do any of that. And second of all, I don't sit there and take women to that prostitutes and stuff to the house. I don't do that either. So just being a MGTOW, just being a single guy, without being hatched up, people will view you as weird, strange, and you can get stuff like this. The FBI profile of a serial killer is not the married man. No. It's the single man driving in a white single man driving in a white truck. Mid-30s, white single man driving in a white truck. That's the FBI profile for serial killer. So as you can see right there, society points that MGTOWs are bad. And if you see a single guy just walking alone. A lot of times they view other people view them as child predators also. They have been accused of that. But the reality is, Charles Manson was a serial killer. Had girlfriends. Robert Hansen killed a lot of women, prostitutes in Alaska, which I saw the movie Frozen Ground, which is a good movie. Well, he was married with a family. So all that speculation is just stereotyping MGTOWs. But the proper way to view this, as I've seen right here, this right here would not affect me because I'm on the game. I know my stuff. I'm advancing. This stuff will not affect me at all. I'm not worried about it at all. And I'm not worried about other people say about me. So I was just showing you how people viewed MGTOW. So what you really want to do is view MGTOW as an outlaw society. I say I actually probably need to get a big old flag for my truck. It says a big old flag that says MGTOW. As I approach people, they start running away. You know, just like pirates. A bunch of pirates go into a city, or Vikings, they start running away. That's virtually what MGTOW is these days. So you just cannot allow people to affect your true north. You got to stay with your heightened sense of things. Stay focused on your purpose. Then you would win